And the race on joint account fast begin New Golden City Sir Henry. Tirat fast racing portfolio arms and the chairman is running at the tail of the field. Joint account by 3-4 of a length Sir Henry. New Golden City Tirat fast is racing from the outside taking the third spot. And rounding the far turn, joint account, Sir Henry fighting it out for lead. Watch out, here comes Tirad Pass from the outside and New Golden City as they race to final corner. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Tirad Pass is running on the outside. Sir Henry in the middle. Joint account, New Golden City, Judge Chairman and Follow Arms. And nearing the finish line, Tirad Pass by a length and a half, Sir Henry, and finally, Tirad Pass. Sir Henry, joint account, the Chairman, New Golden City, and For Your Arms comes last.
All right.